Do you know how to get a loan from Binance? Let's get a loan together. Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Loans. You can get credit from the Binance exchange using this option. To do this, go to the Finance tab and select Loans. If you don't have a Binance account, you can sign up using the discounted registration link below the video. Let's get a loan. Now, we are currently on the Binance Loans page. I want to borrow some USDT. I'm selecting USDT by scrolling down. A screen appears. I'm going to borrow 100 USDT. To be able to borrow $100, I need to provide collateral to the exchange. There is a limit to borrowing. I can borrow up to 70% of the value of the collateral I provide. The maximum amount I can borrow is 70% of my owned BNB. You might wonder why bother borrowing if collateral is needed. But borrowing is important sometimes, my friends. You might be using your assets in different ways. If you are staking for the long term, it's more reasonable to borrow instead of breaking the stake. I am currently using the flexible rate. If I want, I can use 7-day or 30-day terms. The shorter the term, the less interest I will pay. I chose the 7-day term. I am writing $100 here. Yeah. Let's look at the information below. Since I chose the 7-day program, the initial LTV is set to 65%. The annual interest rate is here. There is an hourly interest rate value below it. Below that is the liquidation price. The current price of BNB is $219. If the price of BNB falls below $171, my debt will be liquidated. Therefore, I will have to pay an extra liquidation fee. I will take out a loan now. Okay, I have done. Let's look at the details. I can see the details of my debt here. If you want to reduce your liquidation risk, you can use the Adjust LTV option on the right to lower your risk. But if you reduce LTV, you will need to add extra balance to your account. To automatically maintain your liquidation level, you can go to the Assets Overview section and activate the button on the right. This option withdraws from your spot wallet to load balance to your debt and reduces your risk to avoid liquidation. You can also set the margin call section. In risky situations, you can set a limit here to receive notifications and reminders. To repay your debt, you need to use the repay option. You can change your payment method here. I will pay off my debt in USDT. I choose the full amount. There is information below about interest and other details. I want to pay off my entire debt. I used the provided USDT to pay off my debt, but it wasn't enough to pay off the entire debt. I will use BNB to pay off the remaining amount. Okay, I'm paying my last remaining debt. I'm debt-free now. You may need Binance's loan feature when you least expect it. Now you know how to get a loan. By the way, this video is not investment advice. I'm telling you about the crypto world and showing you strategies that could be important in the future. It's your decision whether to invest or not. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.